Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. Your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap, we are currently sitting at $968 billion. Down 0.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 38.3%. Looking at the overall markets, you guys can see we are starting to see some mild green across the board, especially over the last 1 hour, but nothing too crazy going on right now to be really excited for. But today, guys, I want to focus more towards on one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and I really love all the support that you guys are showing me about this project. And this project is none other than Quant Network. Or my QNT family, if we are looking at the price for QNT right now, it is currently trading at $179.03, up 3.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 4.2% in BTC and 4.3% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $2.6 billion with the 24-hour trading volume sitting at $95.9 million. So one thing I do want to point out to you guys is that the overall buying pressure compared to 2 days ago is a little lower, but that is nothing to worry about. I do believe this number is going to grow organically as we go, in the next few weeks. But now, if you are a QNT holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end because it is jam-packed, and I am expecting a major move for Quant in the next 24 to 48 hours. So let's waste no more time and get right into that and see what exactly is happening with Quant. So as you guys can see, this right here is the daily time frame. You can't see much going on, just a bigger picture. I really like showing my viewers like the bigger picture as to what has been going on with the price over the past 1 year. And as you guys can see, we had a massive bull market last year where we topped out, saw Quant go all the way up to that $430 mark and consolidated and really had like a major retracement. But since then we have been picking up steam, and we are seeing Quant outperforming the overall markets right now, despite the fact that we are in a bear market. And if you are new to my channel, this is your first time stopping by, I just always love giving you guys a perspective as to how much Quant has come up. If you look at just since June 12th, since the lows of $40, if you were picking up some QNT around there, you're already up 350% in just a matter of few months. And taking into consideration the overall global economy and what has been happening with the entire space, for the financial markets to be quite precise, we're seeing a lot of red across every single board that you can imagine. A lot of negativity, interest rates are spiking, inflation's going through the roof, a lot of uncertainty. But we have Quant here just like bulletproof. It just feels like it has nothing to worry about. Quant just seems like it's going to keep going up towards the upside, hit new all-time highs, which I'm still projecting for now. So I do not want people to forget that Quant is still up 350% when we are looking at the prices. But now let's look at the bigger picture. Let's zoom into the charts and really break it down to see what could possibly be happening for Quant in the next 24 to 48 hours. So as I mentioned right here, you guys can see this is like a zoomed in chart. We did see Quant go all the way up to that $227 mark, never managed to go back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, which we have not seen since December 15th. So it's almost a year. And we never managed to get back into that zone, but we did wick above this level of resistance at that $211 mark. And since then, we did see a major retracement, but this was not just no regular major retracement. This was a healthy correction that is very much needed after having a 500% move towards the upside. And that's what a lot of people do tend to forget. We had a 30% move towards the downside. Obviously profits are going to be taken. And that's another topic that I want to share with you guys. Profits will be taken when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Obviously we would think, and when I say newcomers coming into the space, we are seeing massive gains being made, and you're like, oh, what, it's just not going to stop. If I'm making these many gains or 400%, one isn't it going to just go 800%? And that's just how the human brain works. But that's not the case, guys. The OGs of the crypto space, the big bulls, the big whales will be taking in profits, and that's when you want to be locking in profits too, because these consolidation phases will come, and that's where you can scale back in or use your profits elsewhere. And a project that has not yet done quite well and still in the consolidation phase, and really maximize your gains that way. And that's just something that I do. That's my personal strategy, but that's all on you. You guys do what works for you, not financial advice. But right now, one thing I do want to show you guys right now is that we are seeing Q&T break back towards the upside, and we could possibly see it after I upload this video back into the 61.8 fib level. And if we break out of this at $194.54 mark, because that's where my eyes are right now on that zone, is all my eyes on are for. And if we break out of this zone, guys, then I am expecting a breakout happen once again for Quant, and we could possibly be entering the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time ever since December of last year. And I do believe that is very, very close from happening. And then once we break out of there, guys, then the sky's the limit for this project. We could be back into the 38.2 faster than you know it, because not much resistance up there, and we could literally with ease go back into 38.2. And once we reach the 38.2, guys, that's when we're going to be having the conversation about all-time highs, and that's where I do believe more buying pressure than ever is going to follow, because once you do get back into the all-time high territories, guys, it just depends on how much buying pressure is coming. And if the buying pressure is on the side of Quant, we could see this thing pop like real fast. And all-time highs will be very exciting. Right now I can't say much, but let's take it one step at a time. Let's break out of this level of resistance first, get back into the 0.50 fib, and I will keep you guys updated as to what is going on, and we will create the anticipation for that to occur. So that is going to definitely be very, very fun to see and fun to cover. BTC, on the other hand, if you guys are aware, BTC is still trading sideways. Not much has been going on with BTC. 19,345, you guys already know. Bitcoin for me right now is at extreme danger level. I'm not getting excited for Bitcoin until it gets above 22k mark. If you're a regular viewer on my channel and you've been supporting me for quite some time, you know that I do not take this level with ease at all. We're still in extreme danger zone for BTC, and if we go below 19k and then 17k last resort, then we are in for a major retracement, and we could be seeing BTC go down to that 15k mark. And considering we're in a bear trend, the overall market sentiment, that would not be a surprise if that were to happen as well. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 41.73%. Not much has happened with that as well, but that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Quant go at the end of October. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.